All right, guys, this is Jonathan over at American Off-Road. I want to talk about a new lift that we just finished installing on this Gladiator. Complete suspension that gives you all the control arms, track bars, shocks, all that stuff you would expect from a normal lift kit, but it also gives you what you need in an onboard air system kit. It looks like the nice normal lift that you'd see on a Gladiator. It's 100% adjustable. I could drop this thing down to this is their low drive position. Right. Where I had it where we started is more what you would expect for when you're going off-road. You want that extra ground clearance, stuff like that. So this is what you'd see on normal day-to-day use. But if you've got somebody that has a harder time getting in and out, this is a little too high to try to get into on a regular basis, you can drop it down all the way to the really low position. The bottom of this thing all the way out, kind of give it like lowest position, almost what you would get with a stock Gladiator without any sort of modification. So you can get in and out a lot easier. You don't have to spend extra money on adjusting the steps. So you maintain that ground clearance off-road and stuff like that. It makes it really beneficial not having to buy a lot of extra stuff. The real benefit to something like this is that for normal day-to-day use, you don't have to think about anything. This thing is self-leveling, self-adjusting. You don't have to worry about making sure that the one side's straight versus the other side. If you put a bunch of gear in here, you're going camping, or you hook up a trailer and it added a bunch of weight to the back, this thing will compensate automatically. You don't have to worry about, adding more pressure to the back to offset to the load or anything like that. So it's a really simple, easy to use system that has a lot of neat features. If you are going off-road and you're below 25 miles per hour, this thing will allow you to do a lot of independent controls. So let's say you want to air up this corner and air down that side. If you're, on some uneven terrain and you want to kind of level yourself out, it lets you do that. Pull each corner individually, or you can let the system itself. Like I said, you can control it from your phone through Bluetooth connection. You can also have control inside the cab. So the same thing that I have on my phone, right? If you're on a touchpad on the side, you don't have to use your phone if you don't want to necessarily do that every time. Makes it nice and simple. And then you can see, like, when I click the buttons, it changes even on the pad inside. So it's pretty neat how this thing works. And it maintains all the steering geometry throughout all the positions. You'll notice in its highest position, the steering wheel does not move as I drop it down to the lowest position. You don't have to worry about your alignment being all out of whack every time you make a change. Then in the back, behind the Gladiators, behind the back seat is where basically the brain of the system lives. So this is the computer that kind of controls everything. But you also have your connections for an air hose so that you can air up your tires, air up your inflatables. The tank on this thing charges to about 200 PSI, which is a massive amount of pressure. So it'll air up your 37s, no time flat. So this is a really great kit. If this is something that seems like it'd be a good fit for you, make sure you hit us up if you are a dealer for these guys. We can install it for you and get you guys down the road.